Imagine if aging wasn't permanent. Scientists have just discovered that restoring one brain protein can literally reverse multiple signs of aging in mice, from memory loss to weak bones. The protein is called Menin, and it lives in the hypothalamus, the brain's command center for aging. As we get older, Menin levels drop. That decline triggers inflammation, lowers production of a key amino acid called D-serine, and speeds up classic signs of aging: fragile bones, thinner skin, and fading memory. In one experiment, researchers suppressed menin in young mice, and those mice aged much faster. But here's the breakthrough. When they restored menin in older mice, the results were stunning: better memory, stronger bones, thicker skin, and even improved balance. And it doesn't stop there. Supplementing older mice with D-serine, which is linked to menin, improved memory and learning too. Though it didn't reverse the physical aging. That means menin itself may be a critical switch that controls both brain and body aging. Researchers now believe menin could be the missing link that ties together genetics, inflammation, and metabolism, the three biggest drivers of aging. Now, to be clear, this is still early. No human trials yet. But if restoring menin works in people like it did in mice, it could open the door to therapies that not only slow aging but potentially reverse it. So here's the question. If science could give you stronger bones, sharper memory, and healthier skin at 80, would you take it, or is curing aging pushing nature too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more groundbreaking health discoveries.